In this video, we will discuss some more tags related to HTML5. We use code tag to display code on the web pages. So for that, we use code tag. The purpose of this, so the HTML will not change anything in this code. It will be displayed as you have pasted over there. So for this purpose, you need to create a file with code.html, and we need to create HTML basics skeleton, code tag, and you need to write the text or your code over here inside the body. So you just need to start with the code tag, and I have just copied some code from somewhere, and this is the code. So you can see the result. Now just copy the path and paste over here. You can see that this is the code which has not been converted into as a plain text. So you can see that there is a display of block, mean it has been considered as a code. So if I write this into paragraph tag, so what will be the result for that? So just copy the text. Okay, I just copy this code and paste in the paragraph. What will be the result? So you can see the result. Now this is a plain text, but this is the code text. So now let's see. So there is no style or there is no element for this. If I inspect this, so you can see that the font family is monospace. It means it has been considered as a code. The next tag we have is pre-tag. Pre-tag, if you want to display a text in the format that you want to write some text in a different format, like a poem, like a poetry. So what you need to do, you need to use pre-tag. So it will be printed as written. So let's see how does it work. For this, we need to create a file as a pre.html, and we need to create HTML5 skeleton and rename the file pre-tag, and we will write our code over here. So you need to start your code with the pre-tag, and I have copied the file, some text, and I want to show the file like so. I want to print the text as it's written. What you need to do, you need to use pre-tag and enclose this text. This might be poetry or something else, so you just want to make some space between them, and you want to write like this, or you may want to write like this, or maybe written like this. Okay, so just I want to write something. Okay, just remove this whole text and I will show you how to do it. You just want to display this text like this. Copy and paste the text, make sub tab, just move the text forward, and also do for the next line. Just write another line, paste over here, and you can move the text. What you need to do, you just need to write this file, copy the path, and paste over here. You can see that the whole text has been printed as we have written in the text editor. So if I have the same text in the paragraph tag, Okay, I have the same text with a paragraph tag, and I will use HR to make the difference between them. So let's refresh. So it has been considered as a plain text, but the pre-tag has been considered as a mean the text has been written and it has been shown on the web page. In the previous tag code tag we can see that the code text, we can use pre-tag for that. If now let's see the result. Copy the path, and now you can see that you can paste the file over here, and now you can see that the code has been considered as a code but not displayed as a code. It has been displayed in a single line. If I want to display the code as I have written, so what I need to do, I just need to start our tag with the pre-tag and enclose the tag with the pre. So what you need to do, you need to write your code inside the pre-tag, so it will be shown as your code has been was written. So it will not change your code, it will not make it in a single line, so it will be displayed as a code also, and also in a different lines are considered as a same as a code. The next tag we have is quote or a quotation tag. Quotation tag, if you want to enclose your text with the double quote, you can use Q tag or quotation tag for that. So let's see. For this I need to just copy the file and replace with another, rename the file with the quotation.html. quotation.html. So I have different I have many text in that. What I need to do, I just need to write, I want to make this text in inverted commas. So what I need to do, just I need to write this text into Q tag and remove the text, the quote, and just paste the closing tag over here. So now we can see the result. Just copy the path and paste over here. Now you can see that this lorem sum is enclosed in quotation mark. So you can use your quotation mark like this. If I want to enclose this till this dummy text, what will be the result? So you can see that this quotation mark is used only for this text, and it has been enclosed in the inverted commas.